Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. In our last class, we have discussed question number 1. If you have missed watching that video, I will put all the links in the description box below or I will add it here. Today we will be solving question number 2. Today we will be solving all the word problems from this exercise. So the second question is, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find the solutions by elimination method. So we need to find the solutions by the elimination method. So the first question is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. It becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So we need to find the fraction. Okay, we need to find the fraction. So let us solve the problem. So let us assume the fraction to be x and y. So let us assume the numerator of a fraction is x and the denominator of a fraction is y. We know that the fraction is x by y. Yes. So, see the question. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. So, if we add 1 to the numerator, so we need to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. So, we need to add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Then the whole fraction reduces to 1. So, this will be equals to 1. So, from here, do cross multiplication. So, you will get x plus 1 is equals to y minus 1. So let us get all x and y terms to one side and constant terms to the other side. So x minus y is equals to minus 1 minus 1. You will get x minus y is equals to minus 2. So this is our equation number 1. So we know the fraction is x by y. Yes. So see the question. It becomes half when we add 1 to the denominator. So we are adding only 1 to the denominator. Then it becomes 1 by 2. So when we add 1 to the denominator, that is y plus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. So cross multiply, you will get 2x is equals to y plus 1. Get all x and y terms to one side and constant terms to other side. So which is 2x minus y is equals to 1. So this is our equation number 2. Okay. So what was the equation number 1? Equation 1 was x minus y is equals to minus 2. This was equation number 1. Right? So we need to use the elimination method. Yes, we need to use elimination method. By elimination method, what is the equation number 1? X minus y is equals to minus 2 and the equation 2 is 2x minus y is equals to 1. So by seeing these two equations, we can say that the coefficients of y variable are equal. Yes. So by subtracting them, we can eliminate the y variable. Okay. So subtract equation 1 and equation 2. This will be eliminated. You will get minus x is equals to minus 3. So minus minus will get cancelled. You will get x is equals to 3. So when x is equals to 3, let us substitute x is equals to 3 in any of the equations. Okay. Substitute x is equals to 3 in equation number 1. So what is equation 1? X minus y is equals to minus 2. We know the value of x, that is 3 minus y is equals to minus 2. So from here you will get 3 plus 2 is equals to y. Now what is the value of y? So y is equals to 5. So see the question, we need to find the fraction. Yes, we need. So therefore fraction is x by y, which is 3 by 5. Okay. So how do you do the verification? We will substitute the values of x and y in these two equations and see if it satisfies the equation on both the sides. So let us substitute. 3 minus 5 is equals to minus 2. So minus 2 is equals to minus 2. It satisfies. Let us do for the next equation. 2 of 3 minus 5 is equals to 1. 6 minus 5 is equals to 1. 1 is equals to 1. So we can say that the values of x and y satisfies both the equation on both the sides. Hence verified. Let us solve the second question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So we need to find the present age of Noori and Sonu. So let us assume the present age of Noori to be x and the present age of Sonu to be y. So see the question. We have two scenarios, that is 5 years ago and 10 years later. Okay. So let us first take 5 years ago scenario. So the first scenario is 5 years ago. See the question. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. Thrice means 3 times. Okay. Thrice as old as Sonu. So, we are talking about 5 years ago scenario. Yes. So, 5 years ago, what will be the Noori's age? Noori's age will be your present age minus 5 years. Okay. Which is x minus 5. In the same way, Sonu's age is also, what is the Sonu's age? It is y minus 5. Okay. The present age minus 5 years. Okay. So see the question. Noori was 3 times as old as Sonu. So what is the Noori's age 5 years ago? That is x minus 5 is equals to Noori was 3 times, that is 3 into y minus 5, which is Sonu's age. Okay. Now let us simplify. X minus 5 is equals to 3y minus 15. Now let us get all x and y terms to one side and constant terms to other side. You will get x minus 3y. I'm just getting 3y to left hand side is equals to, so minus 15 plus 5. I'm getting minus 5 to RHS, which is plus 5. So this becomes, what is the equation? X minus 3y is equals to minus 10. So this is our equation number 1. Okay. Now let us take 10 years later scenario. 10 years later can also be taken as after 10 years. After 10 years. Okay. So see the question. After 10 years, that is 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. That is 2 times. Okay. Noori will be 2 times as old as Sonu. So after 10 years, what will be the age of Noori? See, Noori's age after 10 years will be x plus 10. Okay. So Sonu's age after 10 years will be present age plus 10 years, that is y plus 10. Okay. So see the question. 10 years later, Noori will be. So what is the age of Noori? X plus 10 is equals to, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. That is 2 times 2 into the Sonu's age is y plus 10. Okay. So from here let us simplify it. X plus 10 is equals to 2y plus 20. Let us get all x and y terms to one side and get constant terms to other side. You will get x minus 2y is equals to 10. Okay. This is our equation number 2. So this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now let us solve this by elimination method. So these are the two equations we got. This was the first equation and this was the second equation. Yes. So by using the elimination method, we need to eliminate one variable. Yes. So by seeing these two equations, we can say that we can eliminate x variable by subtracting them. Yes, we can eliminate the x variable because the coefficients of the x variable are equal. So we can eliminate it by subtracting. Subtract equation 1 and 2. This will be eliminated. Here you will get minus y is equals to minus 20. Minus minus will get cancelled. You will get y is equals to 20. Now we got the value of y. Let us substitute in any one of the equations. Substitute y is equals to 20 in equation 2. What is equation 2? X minus 2y is equals to 10. So we know the value of y, which is 20. Yes. Now let us solve it. X minus 40 is equals to 10, which is x is equals to 10 plus 40. You will get x is equals to 50. So therefore, the present age of Noori is 50 years and Sonu is 20 years. So how do we do the verification? We need to substitute these two values in these two equations and see if it's satisfying the equation on both the sides. Now let us substitute. 50 minus 3 of 20 is equals to minus 10. 50 minus 60 is equals to minus 10. 50 minus 60 is minus 10. Minus 10 is equals to minus 10. It satisfies. Let us do for the next one. X is 50. 50 minus 2 of 20 is equals to 10. So 50 minus 40 is equals to 10. Which is 10 is equals to 10. This also satisfies. So we can say that the values of x and y satisfies the two equations on both the sides. Hence verified. So let us solve the third question. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the number. Find the number. So, we need to find the 2-digit number. Okay. See the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. See the 2-digit number. See, for example, if you take the number 23. If you take the number 23, you have studied in the lower classes the expanded form of a 23. Expanded form of a number 23. How do you write the expanded form? 3 is in the ones place and 2 is in the tens place, right? Now, how do you write it in the expanded form? You will write 20 plus 3. Correct? So, this is the expanded form for the number 23. In the same way, we will assume 2-digit numbers to be x and y. We will assume 2-digit numbers to be x and y. So, if you see these numbers, y is in the ones place and x is in the tens place. Yes? So, from here, how do you write the expanded form for this? You will write x into 10 plus y into 1. Correct? So, which is 10x plus y. Okay? This is the number we have got from the assumed number, that is xy. So, let us assume units digit is y and tens digit is x in a 2-digit number. Okay? Then the number which will be formed by these 2-digit number will be 10x plus y. Then the number will be 10x plus y. Okay? See the question. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So, what is the 2-digit number we have assumed? We have assumed 2 digits to be x and y. So, their sum, what will the sum then? It will be x plus y. Yes? So, x plus y is equals to 9. Okay, this is equation number 1. Okay. Again, see the question. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number. See, 9 times this number. What is the number which we have formed? It is 10x plus y. Yes. So, 9 times this number. That is 9 into 10x plus y is nothing but is equals to twice the number. Twice is 2 times. Okay. Twice is nothing but 2 times. So, 2 into twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the number. So, how will you reverse the order of the number? If it is xy, you will take y and x. Okay, you will reverse the order. That is, now the tens place will be y and ones place will be x. From here, the number you will get is 10y plus x. The number obtained by reversing the order of the number. So, what is the number that we have obtained? What is the number that we have got after reversing the order, which is 10y plus x? Write it here. 10y plus x. Now, solve this. 90x plus 9y is equals to 20y plus 2x. Now get all x and y terms to one side. 90x minus 2x plus 9y minus 20y is equals to 0. So you will get 88x minus 11y is equals to 0. If you take 11 common, you will get 8x minus y is equals to 0. This will be your equation number 2. Okay. So these are the two equations which we got, right? So x plus y is equals to 9 and 8x minus y is equals to 0. Correct? So if you see these two equations, we can easily eliminate y variable, right? Because the coefficients of the variables are equal. Correct? What are the coefficients? It is 1. How can you eliminate y variable? By adding them. Okay? So, add equation 1 and 2. So, if you add equation 1 and 2, so this will be cancelled. You will get 9x is equals to 9. X is equals to 9 divided by 9, which is 1. You will get x is equals to 1. So after getting the x value, you will substitute the x value in any one equations. Substitute x is equals to 1 in equation number 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 9. We know the x value, it is 1 plus y is equals to 9. So, y is equals to 9 minus 1. You will get y is equals to 8. Therefore, required number is, what is the two-digit number we have assumed? It is xy we have assumed. Okay. So, the x is 1 and y is 8. So, the required number is 18. Okay. So how do you do the verification? We will just substitute x and y values in these two equations and see if it is satisfies both the equations on both the sides. Let us substitute. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. 9 equals to 9. It satisfies the equation on both the sides. Let us do for the next one. 8 of 1 minus 8 is equals to 0, which is 8 minus 8 is equals to 0, 0 is equals to 0. So, x and y values satisfies both the equation on both the sides, therefore verified. So, let us solve the fourth question. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50 rupees and 100 rupees she received. So we need to find how many 50 rupees notes and how many 100 rupees notes she received. Okay. So let us assume 50 rupees notes to be x and 100 rupees notes to be y. See, she asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 rupees notes only. Yes. So, Meena got 25 notes in total. See, Meena got 25 notes in all. Yes. So, when she asked for 50 and 100 rupees notes, she have got 25 notes in total. Okay. So, what is 50 rupees notes we have assumed? It is x. And what is 100 rupees notes we have assumed? It is y is equals to, what is the total amount of notes did she receive? It is 25. This is the equation number 1. See the question. So, she went to the bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Yes. So cashier gave her 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Correct. So 50 rupees. What is 50 rupees? That is x. Right? 50 into x plus 100y is equals to, what is the withdraw amount? It is 2000, is equals to 2000. Okay. So if you take 50 common, x plus 2y is equals to 2000. 5 ones are 5 40s are. So x plus 2y is equals to 40 will be your equation number 2. Now let us solve this by the elimination method. So if you see these two equations, the coefficients of x are same. By subtracting these two equations, we can eliminate x variable, right? By elimination method, subtract equation 1 and equation 2. This will get eliminated. This will be minus y is equals to minus 15. So minus minus will get cancelled. You will get y is equals to 15. So after getting the y value, you will substitute in any one of the equations. Substitute y is equals to 15 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 25. So what is x plus what is y? It is 15 is equals to 25. So x is equals to 25 minus 15. You will get x is equals to 10. So we have assumed number of 50 rupees notes to be x and number of 100 rupees notes to be y. Yes, so Meena received 10 50 rupees notes and 15 100 rupees notes. So how do you do the verification? We will just substitute these two values in these two equations and see if it is satisfies both the equation on both the sides. So let us substitute. X is 10 plus y is 15. So 25. 10 plus 15 is 25 is equals to 25. It satisfies both the equation on both the sides. Let us do for the next one. 10 plus 2 of 15 is equals to 40. 10 plus 30 is equals to 40. So 40 is equals to 40. So therefore verified. Let us solve the fifth question. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid rupees 27 for the book kept for 7 days, while Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So here we need to find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So see the question. So the library will charge you for the two things. Okay, that is fixed charge and then the additional charge for the book you keep for each extra day. Okay. Library will charge you for the two things. One is fixed charge plus additional charge for each day. So let us assume the fixed charge to be x and the additional charge to be y. So see the question. Sarita paid 27 for the book she kept for 7 days. So first let us talk about Sarita. So Sarita has kept the book with her for 7 days, right? So she has kept the book with her for 7 days. So if Sarita keeps the book with her for 7 days, so for the first 3 days, it is the fixed charge. Okay, for the first in 7 days, first 3 days will be fixed charge. Okay, after third day till 7th day will be the additional charge. So what is 7 minus 3? That is 4. 4 days. See, first 3 days will be the fixed charge, and then after 3 days till 7 days, that is 4 days, it will be the additional charge. Okay. So let us form the equation. Fixed charge is x. X plus, and what is the additional charge? Additional charge is y. In Sarita's case, she has taken 4 days extra, right? So she has to pay for the 4 extra days, that is 4y. So 4y. So total amount she paid is 27. So this will be the equation number 1. Now let us talk about Susie. Susie paid 21 rupees for the book she kept for 5 days. So she kept the book with her for 5 days. Right. So in 5 days, first 3 days is the fixed charge. Right. She has to pay. Okay. So the remaining 2 days will be the additional charge. Right. So the remaining 2 days will be the additional charge. Yes. So 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So this 2 will be the additional charge. Okay. So how will the equation change? We know the fixed charge is x. X plus, and what is the additional charge for Susie? Additional charge is 2 days. Right? She has kept the book with her for 2 days extra. That is 2y. 2y is equals to, and the total amount she paid is 21. So this will be the equation number 2. We have got equation 1 and 2. Now by elimination method, we will find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. So if you see these two equations, we know that we can say that the coefficients of x variable are equal, right? So we can eliminate the x variable by subtracting them. So subtract equation 1 and 2. This will get cancelled. This is 2y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 divided by 2. You will get 3. You will get y is equals to 3. Now we have got the y value. Let us substitute in any one equation and find the x value. Substitute y is equals to 3 in equation 2. What is equation 2? X plus 2y is equals to 21. We know the value of y. That is x plus 2 of 3 is equals to 21. X is equals to 21 minus 6. X is equals to 15. So the value of x is 15. We have assumed fixed charge to be 15 rupees and additional charge is 3 rupees. So how do you do the verification? Let us put x and y values in these two equations and see if it is satisfying the equation on both the sides. 15 plus 4 into 3 is equals to 27, which is 15 plus 12 is equals to 27. So 27 is equals to 27. It satisfies. The next equation is 15 plus 2 into 3 is equals to 21. 15 plus 6 is equals to 21. 21 is equals to 21. This also satisfies. Therefore, verified.